the machine has powered up, inside the door there's an orange button, so we press the orange button and you'll hear a beep. And on the front of the machine we have the options. Again, as with all cleaning processes, it's button number 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, which is black coffee. We press that. It's then asking us, is the drip tray empty, which at this point we put an empty canister under the nozzle holder. We then press button 10, which is flat white. It's then saying water okay to start, so we'll put the water into the milk module and we press start. It then comes up and it's number 5 for the steam cleaning aspect of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is mochaccino. And then 10 and 10 to begin. You'll now see the process has started.